Hello, welcome back to Barnsley's Retro Clan, back on the Cascade 50 on the ZX Spectrum. As you can probably hear, going with this, well, now famous sound effect on the introduction screen. It's one of those stupid games that's got that beeping thing on. It's just called Short Circuit. I'm going to press G so we get rid of that noise. What you do, you control your character, which is a stickman, and you've got to get to the other side where the circuit is to complete game. But while you're doing it, there's different things coming up screen, and they try and box you in. If you get boxed in, that's game over. It's as simple as that. Be no surprise, game is absolute garbage. I've had a couple of goes on it, and yeah, it's rubbish, but I'll have another go to show you. So that's me in middle, that red character, which is a man, and straight away boxed in. You've got to get to that little thing on left, if you can see, on blue border. Let's try easy again. I'm a bit closer to it, so stand half a chance. Controls are very unresponsive. Again, that's because the program is written in BASIC. It's absolute pants. Frustrating. You're banging on keys just to get your character to move. The things that appear on screen to try and trap you in, it looks like programs actually crashed. God knows what they're supposed to be. It's poor. UDG graphics again, but like I said, what do you expect? Rating for this game, oh my god. Graphics out of 10, I'm going to give half a point. Sound 0, because they will insist on doing that stupid thing on opening screen for some reason, so no points for sound. Overall gameplay, unresponsive controls, frustrating. No, it's rubbish. It really is poor. So for gameplay, I'm going to give a 0. It's rubbish. I can't put it into words without actually swearing, which I don't do on this channel anyway. But yeah, it's pathetic. It really is. Let's quit. Had enough for that one. Let's go on to the next one. We just load it up through my emulator. Run. I suppose this is going to have that sound effect on screen, so headphone wearers beware. No, it doesn't actually. Well, I can't even format the text properly. As you can see, words just goes off at screen and starts on next line. Use the keys 5 and 8 to avoid the cars and run over the men. Oh yeah, remember this one. This is, well, just have a look at this one. Grand Theft Auto, eat your heart out. So that's my car, that red one. Got to run over these men for some reason, and that's it. Supposed to give illusion of speed. It's just them two characters, that man and that so-called car dropping down, really, isn't it? The road is made up by those slash signs. You can actually run into the one on the left and it don't get replaced, so that destroys any sort of illusion of speed what they were anyway, but they ain't. So I suppose it don't make much difference. Excellent, another go. I'll have another go just to show you. And that's basically it. So you're just running over that man. It's supposed to be a car, very boxy, must be an old ladder or something. But yeah, why is this a game? A commercial game? Typing game? Yeah, I could see it as a typing game. I think typing games are mainly for people who wants to learn to code anyway, to be honest. which, yeah, I suppose you could say these are the same thing, but back in the day when you were paying 10 quid, which was a lot of money back then, you don't expect games like this. Absolute rubbish. But, you know, words have just been in to fail me. Pathetic. Yep, that sums up that game at Cassette up to now. Graphics out of 10. Half a point. I'll be generous at that, I think. Sound, no points at all, just a beat after the game's finished. Playability, why would you go back to this? There's no point at all. It's, well, it's just rubbish. It's a poor excuse for a game. I know I'm beginning to sound like Cal Pilkington here, reviewing a Spectrum game, but it's terrible, absolutely terrible. So yeah, that's been games 13 and 14 on the Cassette 50. I can only assume what other games are going to be like. It's amazing, really. It really is amazing. So yeah, I'll leave it at that. I don't think I can take much more. So thank you for your time. Thanks for viewing. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.